I'm real sorry about that, guys. We had some problems, but the video will continue right now. I'll be back again. Okay, that's cheap. Okay, let's buy it. Okay, you guys can take it for free instead, because I'm already rich. I don't, already need to buy it again, yeah. Oh, wow, you guys are so generous. Dad, guess what? What? They said we can get it for free. They're so generous. Oh, wow. Thanks so much, guys. No problem, man. Okay, the house is all yours. Wow, thanks. Okay, son, let's go. Okay. This is the best house in the world. Yes! And that's our bed over there. Oh my God. It's so good. Yes. Okay. Wow, those heaths are just made interesting sound. Okay, son, let's go to our house. Okay. Let me take a seat. It's really good, right? Yes, I know. It's so comfortable. Yes, we both could just about fit inside. It's so good. Okay. I'm gonna make the food, okay, son? Okay. Oh, yes. This food's gonna be good. Well, okay, son, your food's almost ready. Okay. This is going to be the best meal for you. There. Okay, son, you can come and have your food now. It's all good. Okay, coming. Oh, wow, thanks, Mom. You're welcome, son. Well, okay, come on. You can eat your food. Okay. That was so yummy. Oh, wow, thanks, son. Want to help me put the dishes away? Sure, Mom. All done. Wow, you're good at this. I know. I'll move our house over here, son, okay? Okay. So, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Will you come? Yes, I'm tired too, son. We had a big day after we sold that house, right? Yes. Come on, let's go. Good night. Good night, Mom. Good night.